All right, everyone, welcome back. I am definitely the Fix-It Tony. So this is an Acura that somebody stripped out the oil drain pan plug. It's aluminum, and I'm going to show you how I fix multiple aluminum oil pans without replacing them, as long as they're not cracked and broken. And I have fixed them in the past with TIG welding them together, but not today. We changed this to a 14125 drain plug. Give me a second here. 14125 drain plug. It comes with the gaskets that I don't prefer, so I have an aluminum washer from some other stuff, and I'm going to show you. This is the tap for the oil pan. This is a spark plug time cert tool, and then here is the time cert. So I'm going to put the time cert in now. Show you how I do here. So I just actually finished doing that. You can't just run a time cert into the time cert tool into the pan. It will break it. So I wound up drilling the hole out. Want the time cert to go just below the pan. Hopefully it doesn't come out. So what I first tried to do was an oversized drain plug. Her hole was too worn out. And we want to make sure that the time cert's all the way in. We need to go in just a little bit more. We want the time cert below the pan face. And I'll explain why in just a second. Further, or you could square it off. I'm not going to square it off. Going a little bit further with the toolage. I hear a fart can out there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to peen the time cert in. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just a wee bit more. You'll see a lot of machine shops do this type of work, where time cert, Healy coil. I mean, Healy coils work, but they seem to come out. I mean, if the next ape who changes the oil on this doesn't ape it, that needs to be taken down just a little bit. I don't believe the time cert is square, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Give me a second. This tool here I made up for Fords, and you can see it's on an angle, so I can get in compromising positions with this and seat the time cert. So now what I'm going to do here is we're going to gently wrap on the time cert, and we're going to push it in. breaking the pan. And then I'm going to just take that surface down just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. I don't want to hit it too hard. And then we're going to make sure that that's clean. And I get in there. And I hear the wood. Just knocking that down. You gonna do that mirror?
Dude, I knew it. I called Achilles and he said, "You want to
You're gonna do that mirror? I'm gonna pay it forward. I'm gonna pay it forward too. Are you gonna do it?
Kinda. I'm debating.
Come on.
I'm debating. Think we're gonna do it.
So this is the drain plug now with the aluminum gasket, and this should just thread right in. Getting fancy.
Getting fancy with it. You got a whole mount and everything now. It's sick.
I got a whole mount.
Mount? Wait, what?
Dude, all you gotta do is go down the street, make it happen, and pay it in full. 2 seconds. You get your sister to do it.
What?
No, hold on. She's not part of this.
She's gangster.
See?
She's just so gangster.
She's still gangster. She's so gangster, she be fucking up alleys and shit.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna get the biggest torque wrench I have, like all the quick movers out there. Where is my biggest? I don't know where it's at. Get my biggest torque wrench. We're gonna stick a pipe on it. We're gonna over torque it. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna majestically clean that up. And then I'm gonna clean up all my tools. Everything went well. That's it. You don't need to do anything more than a few Newton meters of tightness for an oil drain plug. Drain plugs, drain pans, drain bolts, everything wears out. So everything's out. The time surge stayed inside. So now we're gonna do what I always do, which is a little black RTV on the thread. Pow! She's gonna be perfect. Cam, I need that done.
Alright. So wait, I'm just taking the HRV off.
Wait, the HRV is
Just get all in gear, ninja gear, walk down the street.
I'm just like a full
Rip it, all get by. Waka waka. That ain't going nowhere. But like I said, you don't want to go at this with the way that I just did it without the proper tools. So this is the time cert for blown out spark plugs. You can't just crank this piece in and hope that that is going to cut threads in the pan. You have to drill it out so that you can tap the threads for the time cert If you try and crank this in, you will definitely split the pan. So like I said, what I did was I drilled it out with a uni bit to, I think, I went to 9/16, I believe, on this. Got my first thread started. And then as this taper cut slowly into the pan, it made threads and slowly turned it in. But I would advise you getting the proper drill bit for this to do that. And you've seen it right there. Thick, easy peasy, doesn't need an oil pan. As long as the next ape doesn't abuse it, that should get years of service out of it. Could they pull the time cert out of the pan? I've seen that happen. I've seen time certs come out. I've seen Healy coils come out. I've seen it all happen. But you just saw that I set the time cert in the pan and everything's good. So if someone screws it up, it's on them. Thanks for watching. I mean, not you guys, the quick lubers or somebody else. Thanks for watching.